This program is so exciting because it's more than just inviting Indigenous students to join engineering. It's creating a space of belonging and helping Indigenous students see themselves reflected in the spaces, in curricula, and in the way we're going about things going forward.
It feels really awesome to be part of the inaugural crew for this program. It's very interesting. I think it's incredible that Indigenous youth get an opportunity to increase their representation in the STEAM fields and industry.
I think engineering is really interesting because it's at the intersection of culture and technology. So a lot of disciplines are helping with problems after they happen. Engineering is cool because you get to try and solve problems before they happen. So you get to try and design better solutions for yourself, for the ones you care about, and for the world around you.
I think it's imperative to introduce Indigenous youth to engineering, not only to increase the representation of Indigenous people in the engineering industry, but to also sort of bring a new lens and a new perspective to an industry that is primarily dominated by colonialist perspectives.
We really want more representation. We need more representation of Indigenous knowledge, perspectives, wisdom, youth. We are the highest growing, the fastest growing demographic in Canada. And to not have Indigenous youth in this program would be a huge missed opportunity. And this program is focused on them. It's Indigenous-led. I'm honored to be part of this program and to work with some amazing people that really, really believe in creating that space of belonging.
When you look at the data specifically published by Engineers Canada, the governing body for engineers in Canada, you find that less than 1% of engineering professionals do identify as Indigenous. And this is a little bit concerning when you think about how much influence engineers in Canada have in just about every industry. Speaking from experience, I've worked a lot in the energy industry, and we need more engineers advocating for Indigenous inclusion and representation in a lot of the projects throughout Canada.
For anyone that's watching this, and if they're Indigenous and want to learn how to get involved, like what I'm really passionate about and what I think we all really want to see is that creation of community. And we can't do that without community. So I just want to leave that there as an invitation to reach out, and we'll definitely invite anyone interested to join us in the events and the work that we're doing going forward.